So what we have done with arithmetic sequence here, we will also do with the geometric sequence. So with geometric sequence, what we do is we write down the formula for the general term of the geometric sequence, which is Tn equals a r to exponent n minus 1. And because we are looking for term number 26, it means in the place of n, we are going to write 26, which is equal to the first term a is also 3 with regard to the geometric sequence. So we write 3 in the place of a, and then the common ratio will be 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we write 2 in the place of r, and then our n is 26. Then we have 26 minus 1. And therefore, T26 of the geometric sequence will actually be 3 multiplied by 2 to exponent 25. And when you use your calculator, you will get the correct answer there. And after this, you would know that term number 26 of this geometric sequence is actually term number 52 of the whole sequence, which means T52 will be equal to 3 into 2 to exponent 25. And therefore, you will answer the question to say T52 minus T51 will be equal to, term number 52 is 3 into 2 to exponent 25 minus this one here is how much? Is 153. Using your calculator, you will find the answer that we are looking for. Again, here I want to emphasize what I talked about earlier, to say there's a difference between arithmetic sequences and geometric sequences. Arithmetic sequences can be identified with D, which is the common difference. So whenever the sequence is arithmetic, or for us to qualify any sequence to be arithmetic, then it means that sequence must have a common difference. And geometric sequence must have a common ratio. I think that is the most important thing that we should be looking at here. Common difference for arithmetic sequences and common ratio for geometric sequences. All right, and moving on, we will take another exercise on arithmetic sequences. We will take another exercise on arithmetic sequences. Just don't forget that arithmetic sequences can be identified with a common difference and geometric sequences with a common ratio. If you know that, then any question on sequences and series you can answer easily. Now let's look at this exercise here. We look at question 1. Let's look at question 1 there. All right, we are looking at question 1. Let's look at this question. It says 2x minus 1, 4x minus 5, and 3x plus 3 are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic sequence. Now, before you even go to questions, because they told you that these terms are terms of an arithmetic sequence, the very first thing that must come to your mind will be the arithmetic sequence have a common difference. So which means T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1 will be the same as T3 minus T2. I'm writing this down because they said the sequence is arithmetic. And in the same way, should they have said to us that this sequence here is geometric, we will say T2 divided by T1 is equal to T3 divided by T2. Now let me write down the terms of the sequence. Right. So we have 2x minus 1, 4x minus 5, and 3x plus 3, which are terms of the sequence. Now looking at the first question there, they say show that x equals 4 and then write down the first 3 numerical terms of the sequence. So you already know this. Because the sequence is arithmetic, you will do what you have to do. But I'm going to leave this exercise for you to do as we go out for 10 minutes break. And then you look at the second question there, they say determine the nth term Tn of the sequence. And again, just to remind you, because they are talking about the arithmetic sequence, it means Tn will be equal to a plus n minus 1d. So you will use this formula here in finding the nth term of the sequence. And from the last one says if the nth term is 43, now they have given it to you clearly here. If the nth term, if Tn is 43, determine the value of n. Now that you can do, just remember, arithmetic goes hand in hand with the common difference, and geometric goes with the common ratio. In the meantime, think about this question here, how you would get to the solution of it. And there are many more that are coming after the recess, so we will look at them. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you.